My name's Kai, I'm from England. So we get a variety of campers who, some have never picked up a recorder before, some might have done it at school or even make films at home. So we cater to a sort of a wide range of abilities. The thing we try and focus on is the story. So from the first time they get here, it's all about what's your idea, what's your story, let's craft that, and then we can build on your skill sets from there. And then a typical day from there will be possibly shooting a dialogue scene, or maybe like a sound recording session where we go into the importance of sound effects and good sound quality in film. And then later on in the week, we cater to whatever their specific film needs. So at the end of the 2 weeks, each student will have produced a 3 to 5 minute short film, which they then show to everyone else at a presentation. From a very practical sense, a camper could expect to, at the end of 2 weeks, know how to pick up a camera, a microphone, and set up a basic scene. Hopefully along with that comes confidence in directing, confidence in leading other people, in learning lines and being in front of the camera, behind the camera, and then also a good knowledge of editing. So we use Final Cut Pro here, but the editing skills are transferable, so when they go home, even if all they have at home is an iPad, they should have a new understanding of how to edit and what makes a good scene, a good story. We've had campers here who have never even touched a video camera before, and that's absolutely fine. We are finding more and more that kids, because they have iPhones, a lot of them at least have shot some photography or video, but it's not necessary at all. The course is catered towards taking you from a complete novice through to someone who has a basic understanding of all the steps of filmmaking. I think the thing that's so unique about the filmmaking course is you don't just leave with a set of practical skills, you don't just leave with the knowledge of editing or video. It is about creating friendships, it's about developing their imagination and turning them into strong storytellers and being able to lead a group of people, especially when they're your friends. It's a difficult thing, and I've seen the confidence in them develop over those 2 weeks where they can say, you know, sound recordist over here, video over here. And I think that confidence is something you can take with you into any aspect of your life, even if when you leave here, you never pick up a video camera ever again. So the first thing we have the campers do when they arrive is I get them to get a piece of chalk and write on the wall their name and what it is that they want to focus on for the 2 weeks. So at the end of the 2 weeks, they can say, I wanted to learn about soundtracks, or I wanted to learn how to record a dialogue scene or an interview scene. And then not only do they get the general overview of knowledge, but I can ensure that that kid leaves feeling like they've accomplished something. That camper has come here with a specific skill set in mind, and then they leave having accomplished that.